what your body can handle until you put yourself on the altar of God.
Amen.
So my ultimate goal is to get to the 2300. But in order to move from the 70 to the 23, I have to go through the 1260. How many of you think I'll never forget the 1260? I'll never forget the 22. I know what that means now. I get it now. So watch this. We began at 70. Many of us are going through our 1260. But remember, the 1260 is part of the 2300 process. It's all part of it. The 70, the 1260 is all part of the 2300. So we should not be discouraged as we're going through our 1260, as though God has forsaken us, as though He's not with us, because it's all part of the process of the cleansing of the sanctuary. So in actuality, we're 2300. There is no sign that tells us when the dragon is about to appear. So when the dragon appears, it will count every single Seventh-day Adventist and the world off guard, asleep, like some virgins. It wasn't just the foolish. It was the wise. So the issue is, if you have not been preparing, if you are watching for Sunday law and monitoring, well, it's not happening yet, so I'm still going to the club and do my thing. As soon as I see a Sunday law, I'm like, okay, praise Him, praise Him. Beloved, beloved, beloved. That's what many of us are doing. We're like, I don't see anything working its way through Congress right now, so we're good. We can take our time, we can relax. The issue is, beloved, that when this thing happens, there is no sign. You will get up one day and boom, Jesus is here.
Mercy.
And you will know as an Adventist, I know that's not Jesus. But you cannot prepare for a marathon on the day of the marathon. And then the preacher started preaching. Beloved, remember that Jesus is coming again. No, he did not just say Jesus is coming in. Tell me he didn't just say, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Anything he said, beloved, remember that the seventh day is a Sabbath. Oh, he said it. Did you hear that? And then we got confused because while we were doing that, everybody else was like this. So we were just like, wait. They must not have just heard that the pastor just said that you got to pay tithe. They must not have just heard that deep news that we must be paying tithe. So that was like 22 years ago. And nothing has changed.
Mercy.
I'm still like...
Mercy.
Have you ever asked yourself, does Jesus dream? Dream. When he slept, did he dream? I don't know. But if he did dream, I would venture to guess that as he was in that boat sleeping, his mind was dreaming of home. I'm just guessing. Bible says that will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind
Stayed on thee.
So you mean when Jesus comes again, while I may be physically going through whatever and physically in the boat, my mind is in heavenly places? Whoa. You mean the second coming of Jesus is actually a practical doctrine and not just head knowledge? Wow. Wow.